Hey fam, what's good? I know I haven't made a video in the last week or so. Been super busy trying to wrap up my record, which will be out this summer, and was having some interesting Facebook dialogue about sidemen and, you know, kind of being a sideman and what that entails. And I actually just got a call for a gig at the UC Theater in Berkeley, and I want to share with you real quick how I respond to that type of thing, and get your feedback on how you would respond to the type of thing. The conversation on Facebook was about sidemen, you know, kind of expecting equal pay and blah, 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 blah. And first of all, just so you know, I don't think a sideman should ever get equal pay to whoever the band leader is. But here's how I responded to this email. Got an email referred by a drummer friend of mine, and my response, and the I should tell you what the person said. You know, we have this opportunity to do this gig on this date. Are you available? And they want to do 1 to 2 rehearsals. So before I say yes or no to a gig, I gotta look within myself and see, am I the right dude for this gig? If I accept the gig, am I gonna be able to, you know, listen to the music, learn the music, and give the music and the artist everything that they need, so that I come out feeling good about it, they come out feeling good about it, the person that recommended me feels good about having recommended me. And so this is one of those things that I don't think, you know, beyond learning how to play the bass or any other instrument and stuff like that, is the stuff that people don't really talk about that much. So I just thought I'd give you some insight on that. So here was my response. I think I already said we have this date, blah, blah, blah. We need a bass player. Ours is gone. We need 1 to 2 rehearsals. So the very first thing I respond with is, hey, first, thanks for contacting me. I'll be sure to thank my drummer friend who recommended me for the gig. That's the first thing I want to start off with, is the gratitude of being called for the gig in the first place. Second thing, am I available, right? Looks like I have that date available. Now I follow up with this, let me ask a few questions before I confirm, so that I can see if I'm the right fit for this situation, right? I don't want to just say yes. I don't want to just say no. So first thing I ask is, how many tunes? This gig is actually next month, in the early part of the month, and I already know that I have a few things going on. So how many songs? Do you have charts already? And if you don't, no problem. So I gotta ask that right off the bat, because how much homework am I gonna have to do? This is all original music, so, you know, is it gonna be songs with a lot of changes? Am I gonna have to spend, you know, hours making my own charts and things like that? How much work am I gonna have to do right up front? Also, they're asking for 1 to 2 rehearsals, which I respect. I'm not mad at it, but they didn't mention anything about the pay. So then I got to ask, you know, hey, what is the proposed pay for the gig plus 1 to 2 rehearsals? So those are, those are things that I'm asking in a professional, kind way. Hey, let me know if, what these things are. And then I can kind of say whether or not I'm the right guy for the gig. I think people are more appreciative if you're upfront and you say what you can, you're honest about what you can and cannot do before you accept the gig. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you because, you know, just kind of things that were in the air, talking about music, pay, being a sideman and all that stuff. So I would love to know your thoughts about how you handle situations like that. Leave them in the comments below. If you haven't already, check out my book, The Blue Collar Bassist, How to Get Gigs and Be the Type of Player That Everyone Wants to Hire. That's on Amazon. It's on iBooks. It is not in paperback form just yet. I have to get it formatted, but that is coming. So, anyway, video's almost 5 minutes. Y'all have a good day. Peace. 2 fingers.